Hey guys, wanna find your direction inside the Google Maps app? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. So now let's begin. Now first off, make sure that you have allowed the permission for the Google Maps to access your current location through the settings, but I think it should be turned on by the default. Now open Google Maps on your phone device and now zoom in or zoom out until you see this small compass icon at the top right. So now, as you can see, you can spin around just like that with the circular moves just by using your two fingers. And now you can see which way your phone is facing, and you can adjust it this way so you can see on the compass right there at the top right which way you're actually facing. So again, you can confirm your direction and the position you are facing, since the compass will pretty much tell you, because if the red arrow is facing to the left, then it's west. If right, then it's east. If up, it's north, and if down, it is south. So optionally, I would also recommend using a built-in compass app. For example, on iPhone there is one, and I'm sure that on Android there is one too, and you're pretty much all set for the quick orientation fix. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.